Alright, let's get videotaping. It's time to open up Bad Dog's Designs. It's called the Classic 6. And I was very lucky when I looked on Paul's site from Bad Dog Designs. I noticed he didn't have any. I know he's only making 20 of these. And of course... Oh, sorry, Paul. Yes, I told him it was 22 instead of 23. I'm sorry, mate. I wasn't wearing my glasses as normal. What's bipping? I heard something bip then. You're not happy? Alright, okay. Is that still recording? Yep. Don't know what was bipping, but anyway, who cares? Anyway, yeah, sorry about that, Paul. It's nothing like someone giving you the wrong address, but I'm well known to the posties around here. And it was very nice. It was a Friday. The young bloke come back. And he says, "Oh, you're Peter." "Oh, aren't you?" I says, "Yeah, that's me, mate." Thank you very much. And that was very nice of him. He's getting a little present, that postie kid. I call him the honking one. He pulls up and goes, and he's quite good. Oh, here we go. One of his nice books. Thank you, Paul. It was very nice of you to make up this clock, mate. In fact, he was shifting, doing heaps of work, Christmas, and I just said, go for it. Oh, multi-comp, produced by 12. Oh, switching adapter. Okay. I'm curious. I've got to have a look. He's normally got a different one that you put in all different plugs. I think this is it. I love these. Yep, that's it. That's the one that you click in the different heads. I love it. In a different box from last time. They're the ones to get. Alrighty. Got some peanuts. Now, he only made 20 of these. This is number 12. I think 13 was gone. 12 or 14. I think I asked for 12. I know he's got one on his website, so whoever won that Nixie competition, just from the previous video, you could have one of these, $600 towards it. Whatever you want, you might want to make a special clock at Paul's. Doesn't matter. As long as you spend your money at some of the Nixie people's, Pete's happy. Oh, I've been looking forward to this. Sorry, stock clocks, I'm saving your clock until 12 o'clock tonight, and I'm going to open it up. Have some fun by myself. Light it up. I've already made a spot for it out in the lounge room, mate. And that's where Paul's clock's going as well. I'm very lucky that we still got Paul around, because if I had a look on how many Nixie people that I have lost in the business that are no longer, should we use the expression around, it's just killed them. All this crap that they call Nixie clocks that they're selling now. Oh, I hate that. It makes my blood boil. They're not Nixie clocks. They don't have Nixie tubes. How can you call a Nixie clock that doesn't have... And the only thing that looks good on them is a picture of a Nixie tube. No? Go figure that out. All right, be careful. Be careful. Here we go. You'll recognise this if you ever look at Paul's plate. Oh... Yum, 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 yum. Here we go. Pete's been waiting for you for at least a week. I went away just in Christmas, so I couldn't attack it. No, I was about to get me razor blade then. Just take it out. Take your time. It's only paper. Oh, it looks beautiful already. This is like an airplane one. I'm sure it's called the Classic 6. Oh, there she is. Beautiful. Let me put some light on. Here we go. Look at that. Lovely. And they're 560s, 6 of them. Beautiful, Paul. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful birch, I think he called that. Birch. Look at the back of it. Oh, stunning. Yep, the Classic 6. Beautiful, Paul. Exactly what I thought. Lovely. That's going to be beautiful. See, I've got a silver collection where, you know, the Clarkson and one of Bad Dog's Nixie's T100s. I'll probably end up with that one. I won't mind. Chronex, McClonex, the silver collection, they'll all be there. Yes. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you, Paul. That's that 12 volt DC. Yep. Boop. There we go. She's a working. 101, did you get me time right? Nah, it's all right, I'll let you off. Oh, hang on, 1909, is that the date? No, that's the time, 709. Geez, you're bloody good, Paul. You've got it spot on, mate. Good on you. 1907, beautiful. Oh, what do you reckon, guys? Lovely. Wish I could get a bit more light on that and show you a much better picture. But yeah, worth every cent. That's lovely. I love this metal and the nuts and bolts. And I believe you did a little stand. I got an idea of another stand for this, but I believe you said it's probably in the box. I did a little PVC stand for it. It's in the box of goodies. There it is. We might as well go to full hog, hey guys? I'll show you the whole full deal. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so I put him to task. He had to make a clock when he was probably hoping to have Christmas off. Sorry, Paul. You're just a wanted man, mate. And as I said, guys, I think he can still make another. One of these is on his site at the moment. Here we go. Oh, that looks nice, that. Yeah, okay, so does it go in there with the nut? Oh, that's lovely. Yes, I like that. I'll just show the back without dropping it. I hope this is turning out alright, guys. Alrighty, we'll just stick that there. Oh, how's that for a clock, eh? Let's do a little show around, eh? Pull this down. We'll finish off with a quick show around. Oh, yes. Well done, Paul. I'm going to give you 9 4/5 out of 10. See, I can't give you a perfect 10 because people will start talking about me. Oh, she's lovely, mate. Lovely. I'll just have a look around the back. And limited edition, number 12 of 20. Thank you. And that is Bad Dog's design. Beautiful, classic 6. Lucky last. Look at the front. Alright, we got green at the moment. Green. I like green. Green's nice. Alrighty. Alright guys, that's just a quick video showing you Paul's beautiful clock. She's going out in my lounge next to stock clocks, and I'm going to fight Wayne and get that clock and stick it in the lounge room and open it up in, what, 3, 4, 5 hours? 4 and a bit hours. Oh, we're on the red at the moment. Thanks, Paul. Appreciate it. See you guys.